I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the notifications when you get a new subscriber or a new unsubscriber. So as you can see, I'm in the Mailing Boss dashboard, and I'm going to go ahead and jump into one of my lists. So I'm going to go up to the top and go to Lists, and then click the word Lists. I'm going to work with subscriber list B, and I can look in the list view or the grid view. In the grid view, under Subscriber List B, I just follow that line all the way over to the right-hand side to the icon that looks like a pencil. And I can click that pencil and it will take me to the update area for the subscriber list. I can do the same thing in List View. I'm going to take a look at Subscriber List B, and I'm going to look at my icons, and the second icon, which is a little pencil icon, is the update icon. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And here's where I'm allowed to make some updates to my subscriber list. What I'm going to do is go down to the buttons at the bottom, and I'm going to choose notifications. And in this section, I can choose yes or no to get a notification when someone subscribes. If I say yes, then I just put my email right here. If I want to get notifications when they unsubscribe, I can click yes and put my email right here. So in this situation, if I get a new subscriber, I will get an announcement about that to this email. If I get a new unsubscriber, if someone unsubscribes to my list, I'll get an email letting me know that they unsubscribed to my list. Don't forget, when you're finished filling out your notification area, click Save Changes, and that will make sure your changes are saved. And that's how you get notifications for your subscribers in Mailing Boss.